Hey ATA, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing some eggnog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Watch the ads. Have a Merry Christmas. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make the eggnog. And we have some Jamaican Bailey's rum cream, some Appleton, some eggs, some mixed spice, some milk, sugar, and some condensed milk. So you can always substitute the white sugar for the cane sugar, or you can substitute the condensed milk for half and half, and you can always use whichever alcohol you like. Now I'm just adding the sugar, and this is 1 cup of sugar to 4 eggs. And we're not using the entire eggs, we're using just the yolk, and we are creaming the yolk and the sugar together. I'm using here some granulated sugar, but as I said before, you can substitute with cane sugar. So what we're really doing here, we're just creaming the sugar and the egg yolks together. We want it to be a little bit fluffy and a little bit light at the same time. So there's no special techniques for this. You can use a fork, you can use hand mixer. It depends on what you want to use. So once this is through, we are going to go to the stove, turn it on to low heat and add the milk to the pot. And I'm just using a saucepan, and you are then going to add the condensed milk to it. If you are going to use half and half, here is where you'd add that. And I'm just giving it a stir because you know that milk tends to curdle quickly and burn quickly also. So as soon as the milk starts to bubble, you will then add your mixed spice and some cloves, and this mixed spice consists of nutmeg, pimento, a little ginger, cinnamon, and all-purpose spice. So here we're adding the milk and allow it to cool down a bit before you add it to the sugar and the eggs, because you don't want the hot milk to cook the eggs. And you are just going to gradually stir this, and you should see it start to get a little bit thickened and the color should be a lightish yellow. You are just going to whisk to ensure that everything is well incorporated. After doing this, you are then going to add it back to the stove and turn it on again and allow it to thicken a bit. Ensure that you are stirring with the whisk gradually, because you don't want this to create any lumps. So once you see that it starts to bubble and it's thick enough, you are then going to strain it into the container. After straining, ensure you remove all the residues, and then you're going to add your, if you had whiskey, you could add it right here. I'm adding Appleton and rum cream. You can always play around with this recipe and give it your personal touch. Look at this, how creamy it is. We are now going to add it to a serving container, and this is a mason jar. After adding it to the mason jar, you can then put it in the fridge to cool, or you can add ice to it. I rather put it in the fridge to cool, but my son wanted to try it immediately, so I'm going to add a bit of ice and I'm going to garnish. Look at this, how creamy it looks. I'm adding some whipped cream just to top it off. And just look at that, guys, how presentable this look. I'm going to sprinkle some mixed spice over this, and voila, this looks delicious. It tastes divine. Trust me, you will love this recipe. Look at that, people, look at that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to watch the ads. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Merry Christmas.